I will pat myself on the back for Palantir stock because I've been spot on since it was $7. All my receipts are in the Patreon down below. If you want to check it out, you can. It's $7 a month. Feel free to cancel if you see no value, but I do think you'll get some value because if you've been buying certain stocks that I've been talking about, you should be making a ton of money. Now, I will show you the charts today on Palantir and really what I think is going to happen next and what I posted before and why I sold everything close to $25. All I ask guys is that you drop a like, you subscribe. So let's first talk about it. Palantir update, this is why I sold near 25 bucks. This was posted on the Patreon April 1st. We'll get into the charts today and I'll show you exactly when I plan to buy again, so stay tuned for that. But I basically said I told everyone I got out near 25 for a lot of reasons. So when do we buy back in? I'm waiting till we hit the 618 level, which I think is coming right above 20 bucks. But don't be surprised if we push down to the 786 level. At right above $18, we have a huge open gap to fill at $17.92 also. And then if you look at everything going on in the world right now, I would not be surprised if this absolutely happens, okay? Right now, Palantir is trading under $22 at $21.89 as I'm making this video. I also talk right here about the stochastic falling down. RSI has major negative divergence. That was my biggest indicator of why I got out close to 25 bucks. Who cares if I didn't sell the top at 27, right? Profit is profit, and Palantir I've been calling since $7. Good luck. And I have been calling it since $7. And I appreciate all of you that have been with me since I first launched the Patreon, but I have been calling it since $7. And the reason we were buying down there is because Palantir is a solid company. I've listed reasons why, but also they became gap profitable right around $8-9 bucks, and then it shot up all the way to, I think it was like $21. Let me see real quick. It shot up all the way to about 20 bucks, pulled back to about 14, shot up again, and it's just been climbing, which I'll share the charts in a second with you. So again, I'm not buying Palantir yet, but I will be buying it very soon. I do think this stock will go much, much higher. I think this could hit $100 easily one day, but I want to get in at the right time and I want to go in heavy. By the way, guys, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just share the charts with you and give you my honest opinion on certain companies. And I make it very easy for you to understand stochastic RSI Fibonacci. And it's been working out very well, especially for stocks like Palantir. I drew this chart a long time ago, but I want to give you guys an update on this, okay? The stochastic, see how it's curling down, and you can just look at what's happened before. This is a weekly time frame, by the way. This is why I've been so spot on with Palantir, because I follow the stochastic, I follow the RSI, and also you can see I made a little note here, negative divergence was forming on the RSI, which means the stock price is making higher highs, but the RSI is making lower highs. That is bearish, and that's why I got out. I'm waiting for the stochastic to come down a little more. I do think Palantir will go a little lower than where it's at right now. If you just look at volume itself, I mean, we should probably break down to at least 20 bucks, I would say. And then again, maybe to like 19. But I was talking about earlier in this video, the open gaps, the 786 level, which is right at $18.50. We're not even at the 618 level yet, which is $20.29. So right now I'm waiting. And you can see the Fibonacci right here that I drew for you, okay? So again, it's still in an uptrend, which is good, but there will be pullbacks. This is why I sold. I will be buying in very soon. Again, if you want to know exactly what I'm buying when I'm selling certain stocks, join links out down below. It's $7 a month. It is an absolute steal for the value that I bring. And also guys, Palantir has an all-time high, it looks like, of about 45 bucks. So again, I do think this will go much higher than $45. Even if we just are conservative, I would say the next area that I would really be looking for is probably around 30, 32 bucks. Okay, 30, 31, 32 bucks. That's really what I think is happening next. I like Palantir for a lot of different reasons. I'm not gonna talk about that in today's video. Just wanna give you guys an update of where I stand with Palantir. Hopefully this is helpful. Drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want more Palantir content. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, do what's best for you, and have a great day.